Overfilling your gas cylinder will cause an explosion. It is more dangerous than any other thing you can think of. Using your mobile phone close to a gas cooker or in the kitchen cannot directly cause an explosion. This matter don dey too long. See argument speak on. What causes an explosion in the kitchen? You know that your cylinder, if you drill a hole on your cylinder and light it up, that's you fill up a cylinder, you drill a tiny hole on top of it, gas is leaking, you light it up. There won't be any explosion. That cylinder itself won't even explode. The escaping gas will be igniting. There will be flames, but there won't be any explosion. What causes a gas cylinder to explode? There are two major things that causes the explosion. One is overfilling your gas cylinder. Overfilling your gas cylinder will cause an explosion. It is more dangerous than any other thing you can think of. If you're using a 12.5 kg cylinder, please, when you are filling your cylinder, stop at 10 kg. For the sake of your family and yourself, maybe your life is not precious to you. You can't be filling cylinder up to the full capacity of the cylinder when you have all these products we do bring in this country with the inferior ones. And how many times do we even check our cylinders? I've made a video on how to check the leakage. If your cylinder setup or your gas setup is having any leakage, you check that and be sure your house is safe. So when you are filling up the cylinder, if it is a 12 kg cylinder, stop at 10 kg. Even 12.5, you can stop at 10 kg for the safety of the cylinder, because if there is high pressure build-up, that can lead to an explosion. Secondly, what leads to an explosion, especially when there is a fire incident, they say gas exploded and all of that, is the gas was already leaking in that, maybe it is a kitchen, right? The gas is already leaking in that kitchen, and there was an introduction of a flame, maybe via the lighter or static electricity or a spark from the socket or whatever. It ignited the gas already circulating in that kitchen. That will cause the first set of explosion. And once that happens, any flammable thing in that kitchen, like the towels, the wooden cupboard, they would also catch fire and start burning. Once they start burning, remember the gas is still leaking, so source of flame is still there. Source of that's fuel for the flame is still coming. Those things will start boiling and the temperature of that kitchen would increase. That increment in temperature would also increase the pressure in that cylinder, which will make it explode. You understand? Not that fire will enter inside the cylinder and explode it. No, it is the temperature of the room that is already burning that will explode the cylinder.